Hey, what's up, guys? How you guys doing? I just got myself Vietnamese coffee. They sell this bread for like $1.35. I tried it out. Also, bacon and eggs, breakfast for the day. I need to get some good breakfast and get my energy up. And after this, I want to go for a run, man. I need to exercise. I had an epiphany today, you know. And my point is this, man. Wherever you live, do your best. You know, live your best life as you can. That's what I'm learning. Even me, I'm not in the best place I want to be in, but even if I'm here, I'm gonna do the best I can, and I'm gonna keep doing the best I can, fitness-wise, business-wise, working-wise, all aspects of life, and move forward. That's all we can do. That's all we can do. You can't control your whole environment, but you can control yourself, right? So that's all I gotta say. Video. Click that link below the video and learn how to improve all aspects of your life. Live your best life. I'll talk to you soon. Live your dreams. Take care. Bye. Taking a run next to the water for a second. Quick tip of the day: don't just work out at the gym. You can get boring. So go to nature, wherever it is, and run there. It's more fun. Click that link below. Talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. I'll see you soon. Take care. Stay cozy. I've never seen this place actually. It's like a lake. Good place to run. So if you're ever bored of running at the gym all the time at the treadmill, find some kind of nature and run there. It makes the experience 10 times more enjoyable, and you get to enjoy it instead of being a drudge, you know, being boring and stuff like that. So that's why I decided not to go to the gym, but make this my gym today. And this is my new gym for the day. And I'm gonna keep running. I'll see you guys. Take care. What's up, guys? I'll give you some quick tips of the day for you to build your dream business online. Number one, most important thing I think is just to believe in yourself. You know, a lot of times, wherever you came from or whatever background, it can be easy for you to not believe in yourself. You know, whatever situation occurred and so forth, you know. But today I want to share with you that, you know, you can believe in yourself. You know, you're made in the image of God, whether you believe in it or not. Highest form of creation here on earth, you know. So believe in yourself, number one. And number two, believe in your dreams. Believe in that dream that you have inside of you, you know, that you always wanted to do. It's there for a purpose, I truly believe, because it's almost God's way of telling you that's the direction you want to go into. So whenever you have this desire inside of you to do whatever it is, go out there and believe in your dream, okay? Number three, I want you to take massive action. Take action. Just take action. It's okay to make mistakes. It's okay to fall. It's okay to, you know, do a video and not come out correctly. Just upload it. Take action. It's better to upload a video than spend years thinking about getting the right equipment, the right tools, and end up not doing it. I know a lot of people who have been preparing to prepare to do, but they ended up not doing much. It's better to do it, so focus on doing it. And number four, listen to other people who are also successful. Okay, don't listen to people who are not doing it themselves. Don't listen to people who are, you know, just critical, just to be critical, or don't not doing what you truly want to do. Listen to people who are actually doing what you want to do, but don't copy them at the same time. Listen to their golden pieces of advice and create your own. Okay, that's my last fifth tip. Create your own dream business. It's more fulfilling doing it your own way, being yourself all the way, instead of copying someone else. And a lot of times when you try to copy someone else, what happens is that you can't do it the best way you can do it, because you are unique. your unique thumbprint, your unique style, your unique personality, your unique strengths, talents, and gifts. Use it. Use your own uniqueness to create your own unique dream business and be you all the way. That way, no one can copy you. Okay? Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn how to build your dream business, click that link below the video. Take action. I'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye. How you doing? Just want to take a quick video of the day clip. It's a nice area here. Hold on. I'm putting my... Okay, it's a little crooked, but... Nice view, you know? Sometimes, you know, as an internet marketer, it's good to get out of the house once in a while and visit nature, experience a little solitude. Let me put my camera this way. Just experience a little peace. Being in front of a computer all the time, 24/7, can drive you nuts, drive you crazy. And you can, like, literally, if you really look at the grand scheme of things, you're in front of a computer all day, like a robot. You know, that's not really good to your human soul and your body. And, you know, we weren't meant to be in front of a computer all day, you know. So, quick tip of the day, get out of your house, visit beautiful nature like this right here, and enjoy life. It's not just about internet marketing. And a lot of times we go into internet marketing for freedom, and we forget about the freedom once we start doing it, you know. Remember why you started this first. You wanted the freedom. So enjoy freedom and also do your business, your goal for your dreams all the way. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye. Got the clouds here, man. It's a beautiful sky. And you know, quick lesson of the day for me today is that, you know, a lot of times, you know, I live in the suburb part of LA, and, you know, for me to enjoy, sometimes I got bored of this place. So I would always say, you know what, I need to go to the beach, you know, like farther out, maybe Venice or Santa Monica, you know. But, you know, I went there yesterday, it was super packed and crowded, you know. I love nature, but on the flip side, when it's all popular, it's too popular by a lot of people, it's too packed, too many people, and you can't really enjoy that place fully, you know. But the lesson I learned is, you know, I live in an area in LA called San Gabriel Valley, SGV, and I've never been here actually. This area where there's a lake. So what I learned today is that you don't have to go so far, you know, to be happy and find peace or experience nature. Wherever you live, there's something that you can enjoy. Go out there and search for it. It's not that far away. That's what I learned. So, you know, I came here today. It's not going to be my last time. So, because, you know, I'm definitely going to come here again. Came here for a run, and I'm enjoying the peace and the beauty. Just take a look at it. It's really nice, you know. Sun, beautiful day. So find a place where you can be happy wherever you are, and go out there and enjoy, explore, get out of the house as an internet marketer, because it's not always about being in the house all the time. Sometimes if you are, you go crazy. You want to experience a little bit of life, a little bit of nature, a little bit of happiness at the same time while you're working, right? At the same time every single day. Do it every day. That's my goal. Try to be happy every single day. Exercise daily, get out of the house, go to nature daily, work on my online dream business daily. And I'm encouraging you to do it. Exercise daily, go to nature daily, work on your dreams daily, and all the above. Live your life fully in all aspects of life. Thanks for watching the video. If you want to learn how to do that, click that link below the video. Take action. I'll see you on the inside. Take care. Bye. There's a helicopter. I hear it. I don't see it. Check out that wood. Where is it? Yeah, right there you go. It's amazing. Just floating by itself. I'll see you soon. Thought it might be fun going down here for a second. How you doing? Wow, it's like a big football field. Look at this. Wow. Sometimes there's water here. Not sometimes, like occasionally, once in a while when there's a lot of rain. But look at this, man. This is crazy. I've never been in such a big space like this ever before. This is insane. Felt like doing it for fun. This is hilarious. This is hilarious. Let me do a little run right now. Got all this space by myself right now for the day. Look at the sky. Check this out. Beautiful. Yeah, I just wanted to walk here. Never been here before. But look at the open space right here. It's huge. And there's a plane going by. Check out that plane. How you doing? I'm gonna keep walking. Eventually I'll start going up. How you doing? Nice. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye. What's up, guys? It's BJ from How Expert. I want to do this quick video looking for writers who have a unique topic and want to have an opportunity to become a published How Expert author on Amazon, to build your brand, boost your authority in your field. Click that link below the video and check out a writing opportunity. You can learn how to write about your passion, your knowledge, your real life experience, and have an opportunity to become a published author on Amazon for How Expert. So this is a great opportunity for a lot of freelancers. You're doing a lot of freelancing work anyways, and writing for blog posts, articles and whatnot. When you're not getting credited, it's just an article like every other freelance writer out there. So why not do what you're already doing as a writer, but write it for How Expert to become a published author on Amazon? Because an author, you know, from perception of the world, writing a book is a higher level of perceived value than writing an article. You know, you can write 10, 20, 100 articles, but writing one book alone is worth putting on your resume. You know, you can write that you wrote hundreds of articles online or whatever, but that's a dime a dozen. Everyone has done that for all writers, freelancers out there. Let's just be honest. No matter how great the website may be, but being an author, that's the highest level of work that a writer can do. And the challenge is that a lot of people don't know how to write. They know how to write, but the challenge is they don't know how to publish. They don't know how to get their work published on Amazon. The details, the know-hows of getting the ISBN, getting the formatting, getting the design, know how to create an account, setting up an account, where to publish it, and so forth. Well, fortunately for you, I have 10 plus years of experience publishing on Amazon as an author and as a publisher. And I've published hundreds of books online. I wrote my own best-selling book online for how to make money with ebooks, and also a best-selling publisher for my own books as a publisher. So if you want an opportunity, work with me, collaborate with me for my publishing brand, How Expert. The great thing is you can write about your number one topic, your passion. They're looking for people who have a unique topic. So if you have a unique topic, you're passionate about that topic, and you have real life proof of experiencing that topic, we would like to work with you. Click that link below the video, take action, apply for our job, and if we see a potential topic in you, we'll contact you back. Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate you. Click that link below, take action. I'll see you on the inside. Thank you, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.